It is a danger that no parent wants to face, having your toddler wander off alone and get hurt. Well, that happened to one Effingham County mother this New Year's Eve, and tonight her 3-year-old son is in the hospital with injuries from a hit-and-run accident, and investigators need your help finding the driver. News 3's Meredith Lay met with investigators tonight. She joins us now in the WSAV newsroom with a crime and safety report. Meredith?
That's right, Russ. They say they've been working overtime gathering leads, and now they need the public's help. It happened just after 9:30 p.m. on Highway 21 near Goshen Road in Rincon. The child has been identified as 3-year-old Jordan Mydell. While he remains in the pediatric ICU at Memorial, the driver that struck him is still on the streets, and the Effingham Sheriff's Office is now on a mission to bring them to justice. A night that is usually celebrated took a frightful turn Monday.
A 3-year-old child apparently somehow darted out in the middle of traffic in the northbound lanes and was struck by a vehicle.
The child came from these nearby apartments in Effingham County. Investigators believe he tried to make his way to this Parker's gas station located across the street, but didn't make it. He was struck by an oncoming vehicle, which then fled the scene.
So you have to, number one, determine whose vehicle it was, and from there on you have to determine who was in the vehicle, who was driving the vehicle. So there's a lot that goes into a hit-and-run investigation. Anyone who's going to hit a 3-year-old child is something we want to look into and find out who did this and charge and bring them to justice.
This stretch of Highway 21 is pitch black because there aren't any street lamps in the area. For folks trying to cross the road, it would be nearly impossible to see them until it's too late. What witnesses did see, the vehicle driving away after hitting the child. Now investigators need your help.
We're hoping that somebody out here saw something, or saw something, saw the child get hit, or saw something that didn't look right on New Year's Eve around 9:30, for them to give us a call. Because no matter how small you think your lead is, it really could turn into something, that could break our case for us.
Now investigators say they're looking for a white Tahoe or Suburban, probably from the late 90s or early 2000s, with a partial tag of BKY. The child suffered from significant head, arm, and shoulder injuries, but is expected to make a full recovery. In the WSAV newsroom, I'm Meredith Lay.